Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Group 3 and our member. We are going to present about biological control parasitoid predator. Next. Our member is Rendian Dilansah, Sasal Bida Putri Maharani, Anji Rizky, Nabila Maharani, Muhammad Faiz, Muhammad Irsyad, and Putri Aprili.
What is biological control? Biological control is direct manipulation using natural enemies or competitor of sense organism. Principle of biological control. Utilizing natural enemies or biological control agents, such as predators, parasites, and pathogens. Artificial biological control is carried out by multiplying natural enemies at the laboratory. Natural biological control, the control process runs itself without human intervention. Biological control in an ecological sense is defined as the regulation of the population of organisms with natural enemies until the population density of this organism is below the average compared to without control. Natural enemies as part of the agroecosystem have a decisive role in regulating and controlling pest population.
Benefits and weakness of biology central. Benefits of biology control: 1. Safe because does not cause environmental pollution and poisoning to humans and livestock. 2. Does not cause pest retention. 3. Natural enemies act selectively against the host or prey. 4. Permanent for a long period of the end of time and inexpensive. Weakness in biological control. 1. Results are difficult to predict in a short time. 2. It requires quite a large amount of money in the early stage for both research and procurement of facilities and infrastructure. 3. At the time of breeding in the laboratory, sometimes encounter obstacles because natural enemies require special environmental condition. For application techniques in the field have not been widely mastered. Based on how it works or its nature, natural enemies can be grouped into 3. 1. Parasitoids. 2. Predators. 3. Pathogens. Today we are going to discuss parasitoids and predator.
Okay. Number 1 is parasitoid. What is parasitoid? Parasitoids are animals that lives on or in the body of another larger animal as its host. Parasite attack can weaken the host and can eventually kill the host because the parasitoid eats or suck the host body fluids. Next. Factor supporting parasitoids' effectiveness in pest control good viability. Number one, only one or a few individual hosts are required to complete their life cycles. Second, the parasitoid population can survive even at low host population levels. And last, some parasitoids are monophags or oligophags, so they have a narrow host range.
Classification of parasitoid development defines by two. One, based on its position. A, ecoparasitoid. Parasitoid whose life circle is outside the host body, attached to the host body. Example, Composmentris spp, which parasites Exopolis sp. B, endoparasitoid. Parasitoid that develop in the host body. Example, Leishmania bicolor, which parasites the egg of Caesava sp. Number two, based on the growth pressed on the host being attacked. A, egg parasite. A parasite that attacks the host in the egg phase is endoparasite. Example, Anacrus optobilis, brown plate hopper. B, egg larva parasite. Parasite that develop from egg to larva. Example, Chelonus sp. coconut mayang borer. C, parasitoid larvae. Parasite that attack the host who is in the larva or caterpillar phase. Example, Apenteles erionote or banana leaf rolling larva. D, parasitoid larvae, pupae. Parasite that develop from larva to pupa. Example, the Trochithecus brontipae, ronstipa. Pupa parasitoid, parasite that attack the host who is in the pupa or cocoon stage. Example, Ophius sp. or fruit fly cocoon. E, parasitoid, imago parasitoid. Parasite that attack the host who is the imago pras or adult ins. Example, Apidic, Chrysompale, Apidiotus destruction.
Predator. Predator are free living organisms by eating, killing, or preying on other insects. Insect order. About 10% of insect species preferably described are parasitoid. There are 4 orders of insects that are especially known for this type of life history. So far, most of them belong to the order Hymenoptera. The large and most widely known group composed the so-called Parasitica. In the suborder Apocrita of Hymenoptera, the large subgroups are the Chalcicoid wasp or superfamily Chalcidoidea, and Ichneumon wasp or superfamily Ichneumonidae, followed by Prototrupoidea and Platygastroidea. Outside of Parasitia, many lineages of Hymenoptera include parasitoid, such as most of the Chrysidoidea and Vespoidea, and there are family Orosidae of the Symphyta. Flies order Diptera belong to several family of parasitoid, the largest of which is the family Tachinidae, and also smaller families such as such as P. pundulidae, Conopidae. Example. The other two orders are the rotary wing parasite order Strepsiptera, which is small group consisting entirely of parasitoid and beetles, or order Coleoptera, which include at least the family Rhiproridae and Rhipiceridae, most parasitoids, and the rivet beetle, or family Staphylinidae of the genus Aleocara. Sometimes members of other orders can be parasitoid. The most well-known are the moth family Epipiropidae, ectoparasitoid for plant topper.
Parasitoid life cycle. The length of the parasitoid life cycle in the pre-imago phase was 8.2 plus 0.3 days. The imago phase was 1.8 plus 0.7 days, and the total life cycle was 10 plus 0.8 days. The parasitoid imago emerges from the host egg by breaking the chorion. As soon as the parasitoid is outside the host body, the imago immediately looks for a mate and performs mating.
This is our material for today presentation and our audits. Is there any question? That's all our presentation today. We are very appreciative for the responsibility. Thank you for the attention and you are really sorry I did any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.